Hi guys, this video is for how to make 3D model from mobile photos and share in an online 3D platform. I took Casamila building 3D model. This is one chain. It's a very popular buildings over there. I used Meshroom and Blender to generate a 3D mesh file, and after that I'll show you there's an we basically find platform there. There's a p3d.in, so you can share this model with anyone, so any clients, any of your uh, colleagues, partners, any persons, anywhere in the world. So yeah, so we can start this video. So you have to take photos from different angles. It's very important that the light has to be pretty much brighter, so darker side doesn't have that much of clear information. So I will show you later as how it will becomes depending on the lights and different side. You can see the dark side of the angles. So yeah, you have to take photos, quite possible more than 50 or 40. So I took 50 photos. After that you have to go for an Meshroom, and from there you can easily drag those folders from here, and after that you can just put the start button over here. So it will take some more times to generate this one, so it will automatically generate in one mesh file. And so we need to generate a mesh file, so you can see this one on the right side in the 3D viewer. So after that you can go for Blender, so that will be an OBJ file or MTL file. You can export from there, and after that you can import in Blender as an .obj file. So after that what we can do, we can make an simple modifications in here, because the space is not quite good here. There are lots of extra elements there. So you can see here there are this image file is pretty good right now. So I'm going to change a little bit about those the mesh files. So for edit mode you can go there, and after that you can start selecting all those vertex, and you can delete the vertex or edges or planes or faces. So yeah, I'm going to delete most of the unwanted part. You can see if you go to the render view, so the render view can show us there's much details, not that bad, and but you can see in the top there's lots of other meshes also there. So these are all came from because of the picture quality and the lights of the pictures. You can see this side there's not much of details because the information is not there. So yeah, so you have to be careful about, so if you because I took the photos in a little bit dark rooms, so if it's possible to put lights from different angles and take very clear photos. So okay, now we can go for an website p3d.in, And yeah, you can see that you can easily log in there, and it's a free website, so you can have one account. And yeah, you can drag file from anywhere, so it takes .obj file or mtl file or mbx file from there, format there. So yeah, so you can easily drag it down here. So it will take some times, I think. So yeah, I have an already uploaded one model, so I can show you some bit of it, how it looks. You can see here this is pretty clear. Yeah, in here also there's lots of tools here. So this is just spinning tools, so it can automatically spinning by itself. Even uh, you can change materials also in this here, and different colors and shapes. You can see here there's a lot of material system, so you can change the color from here. Yeah, even the texture also, if you change, because these textures I already put it from the texture mesh file, but you can, yeah, change the colors here, so you can make it red, right? So